In homes across the greater northeastern Pennsylvania region, two spaces are transforming more than any other, the kitchen and bathroom. And at the center of these upgrades is Perfect Storm Kitchen and Bath, a team known for turning outdated spaces into modern, durable, and beautifully crafted retreats. We had a chance to sit down with Paul and Jerome to hear about their company.
Are you thinking about remodeling your kitchen or bathroom? Well, look no further. Perfect Storm Kitchen and Bath is Northeast Pennsylvania's trusted leader in kitchen and bathroom renovations. Perfect Storm brings together craftsmanship, creativity, and care to deliver beautiful, functional spaces that feel like home. Owner Jerome explains how it all began.
Perfect Storm was founded back in 2019 by myself and my lifelong friend, Paul Williams. At the time, he was designing kitchens for a major retailer. I was installing kitchens. We got together and said, wouldn't it be the perfect storm if we got together and started our own thing? Since then, Paul has moved into a sales role, and I lead the company's operations.
From the moment you walk into their showroom at 71 Winter Street in Pittston Township, you're treated like family. A member of the Perfect Storm team will guide you through their impressive full-size displays, showcasing everything from cabinets and countertops to shower systems and every detail in between.
You can see all the products that we install. All of those are backed by a lifetime warranty. We have grab bars, shower fixtures, fold-down seats, all our wall panel systems on our showers, kitchen door samples, countertops, granite, quartz, tile.
With so many options available, it can be tough to bring your vision to life. That's where Perfect Storm's certified design experts come in, helping you choose color palettes, cabinets, and fixtures to create a look that's uniquely yours. They even build detailed 3D renderings at their design center, so you can see exactly how your kitchen or bathroom will look before the first tool is lifted.
So our team is along with you throughout the whole process from design to the finishing touches. All our designers are certified. They're going to guide you into products that are going to work in your home. And our install crew works with these products every single day so they know how to install them, and it's all backed by a warranty.
The company is also a proud member of the National Kitchen and Bath Association and offers financing options to help every homeowner achieve their dream space on budget. Chief designer Paul Williams explains how Perfect Storm can make your remodel stress-free.
For a homeowner, the process can be very overwhelming. There's a lot of different products and places where you can go shopping. But Perfect Storm being the one-stop shop, we make it very easy for the homeowner by bringing all the samples to them, designing the project, and giving them the quote same day.
From quick updates to full renovations, Perfect Storm provides superior products, expert service, and unmatched attention to detail. They carefully select their materials and suppliers to ensure every remodel meets the highest quality standards, all while making sure every detail fits you and your needs.
It's a unique taste between the designer and the homeowner. Sometimes they have taste that, it's a great taste, but it might not work so well in that bathroom or kitchen. And that's where a designer comes in, a professional designer, to help guide them into the right way. So you take a little bit of them, a little bit of us, put it together, boom, you have a beautiful product.
It's not just about creating beautiful spaces. It's about creating trust. Their process, professionalism, and results have earned them glowing reviews and loyal customers across the region.
So what we see a lot from homeowners are the contractor nightmares. They may have worked with contractors who did not do a very good job, and they really love our process, how we can go into a project, design it from start to finish, see it through to the end.
The spaces Perfect Storm creates aren't just stylish. They're functional and built to last, especially for the unique needs of the homes in our area.
Well, in Northeast Pennsylvania, a lot of the houses are much older, so they definitely need some redesign work. Some of the designs don't make a lot of sense. There's not a lot of functionality in the kitchens. Bathrooms, being that the demographic is a little bit older in Pennsylvania, putting in grab bars, benches, and different things that make it safer is something that we do as well.
Once your design is approved, their installation team gets to work. bringing years of experience and an eye for detail to every project. Most kitchen remodels are completed in under 2 weeks, and bathrooms in as little as 5 to 10 days. Whether it's a tub-to-shower conversion, a new kitchen countertop, or a complete renovation, Perfect Storm Kitchen and Bath is ready to make your dream space a reality. Stop by their showroom in Pittston, visit perfectstormkitchenbath.com, or call 570-899-8710 to schedule your free consultation today. Perfect Storm Kitchen and Bath, where your dream space takes shape.